What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue because it is calm and nice.
What colors do you see in your classroom?
I see white walls, brown desks, and green boards in my classroom.
Do you like wearing colorful clothes?
Yes, I like wearing colorful clothes because they make me happy.
Can you name some shapes you know?
Yes, I know circle, square, triangle, and rectangle.
Which shape do you like the most? Why?
I like circles the most because they look simple and round.
Do you see many shapes in your school?
Yes, I see rectangles in the windows and squares on the floor tiles.
If you could paint your room, what color would you choose?
I would choose yellow because it is bright and cheerful.
Describe your favorite color or shape. My favorite color is yellow. I see it in the sun and some flowers. I like yellow because it is bright and makes me feel happy. Sometimes I wear yellow t-shirts to school. This color is important to me because it gives me energy and helps me feel positive every day.